This is how to recover corrupted videos for free. And to do this, we're going to be using Stellar Video Recovery. So this is a free tool and it's online. So before we get into it, a few things about this tool which you should know. So they support all different file formats. So this is a list of all the files they support. After that, they support different kinds of video corruption. So if your video has playback issues or choppy frame rates or black screens, or if it just isn't opening, then this tool can recover the video for you. So they have two versions. One is online and one is an app. The online version has a file size limit in the free tier, but then you can pay up if you need more space. So I'll show you both in this video, and without wasting more time, let's get straight into it. Here I've come to my laptop and let's take a live example. So I've used this site to actually corrupt a file, and I'll show you the before and after so that you can see the difference. So this is the original video. And after corrupting it, it's come to this and I can't even open it. As you can see, this error is coming. So now let's see if Stellar can recover the video for me. So the first step is to go to your browser and then search for Stellar Video Recovery online. Search for this and then scroll down and then select this link called Video Repair. I've also put a link in the description so you can check it out from there. Then once you're here, you have to sign in. So click on sign in on the top right. If it's your first time creating an account, you can click on sign up and then enter your email ID and password, or you can sign up with Google. So now I've signed in and the next step is to upload the corrupted video. So one thing to note, there is a file size limit of 100 MB, and if your video is of a larger size, then you may have to pay for it. For now, click on plus. Now I'll select the corrupted video, which is this, and click on open. So step 1 is done, which is adding the corrupted video. And now the next step is to add a sample video. So by sample video, what they mean is any video which has been taken with the same device. So in this case, it was a screen recording. So I just have to upload any other screen recording I've taken. It doesn't have to be same as the corrupted video. It just has to be taken with the same device so that it's easy to format the corrupted video. So now I'll put a sample. And this time, I'll put a different sample. Let's say this one. This isn't the original video. So I'll open it. Again, wait for this to upload. And the last step is to click on Start Repair. So click on this. And it's done. They've said your video is repaired and ready to download and save. So now just click on Save Repaired Video. Then you reach this page. Just click on Download. And as you can see, it's downloaded. So now click on it to open it. So this is the video given by Stellar, and now it's finally opening, but let's test it out. And as you can see, this version was the same. So this is how the online tool works, and I'll quickly show you how the desktop version works as well. So if you want to download the desktop version, just open your browser. Then here go to the same site. Just search for Stellar Video Recovery online. And then select this link called Video Repair. And here you'll find this option called Desktop Software. So click on it. Then select Windows or Mac based on what you have. And after that, click on Free Download. Then once it's downloaded, you'll see a page like this. The first step is to add videos. So click on this. And the same way like before, we first have to add the corrupted video. And after that, click on Repair. And then there'll be two options. If they were able to repair it without the sample video, then you're all good to go. But sometimes they may need the sample video, as I mentioned before in the video. So you'll have to upload that, and only then you can repair. But let's test it out. As you can see, this requires a sample video like the online version. So we'll click on Advanced Repair, click on Next. And here we'll have to add the sample video. Click on Browse. And then add the sample video. The sample video just has to be recorded with the same device so that Stellar knows what the format should be. So open it in Stellar and then click on Repair. And you'll see that in some time, the repairing will be done. So now it's done repairing. And if you want to see it, just click on Preview. And over here, you can see it. So this is how it works. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.